this is Jacopo.
Hello, my name's Chris. What's your name?
My name is Jacopo.
What's your surname?
My surname is Candiago.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Good. Now, here are two pictures. My picture is nearly the same as yours, but some things are different. For example, in my picture there are 3 lights, but in your picture there are 4. Okay? I'm going to say something about my picture. You tell me how your picture is different. In my picture, the toy train is in the box.
In my picture, the train is near the box.
In my picture, the man is wearing a striped shirt. The stripes are blue and white.
In my picture, the man has the striped red and white.
Good. In my picture, the girl on the sofa is smaller than the boy.
In my picture, the boy is bigger than the girl.
Good. In my picture, the woman in the office is looking at a computer.
In my picture, the woman don't look at the computer.
In my picture, there's a man in a green jacket. He's carrying some drinks.
In my picture, the man with the green jacket is bringing some fruit.
In my picture, the clock is round.
In my picture, the clock is square.
Very good, Jacopo. George and Holly like animals. They both have new pets. I don't know anything about George's pet, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. What animal does George have?
The animal who has George is a puppy.
Good. What's George's pet's name?
The name of George's pet is Socks.
When did George get his pet?
He get his pet last weekend.
Very good. Is it quiet or noisy?
It's noisy.
What color is it?
It's black.
Good. Now, you don't know anything about Holly's pet, so you ask me some questions.
What is the name of Holly's pet?
It's called Fred.
What animal is Fred?
It's a frog.
What color is Fred?
Green.
When she get it?
Yesterday.
He's quiet or noisy?
It's quiet. These pictures tell a story. It's called The Busy Umbrella. Just look at the pictures first. Helen is going to the supermarket with Mum. It's raining, but she has her pink umbrella. Now, you tell the story.
They find one woman and a boy who hasn't any umbrella. Then they give their umbrella.
Good.
And the other family wait for the bus. When the bus arrived, they find another family without the umbrella, and they give to them. And that family give it to Helena's family.
Very good, Jacopo. Now, let's talk about your home. Do you live in a house or in an apartment?
In an apartment.
How many rooms are there in your apartment?
7.
Who lives in your apartment?
My mom, my dad, and me.
Well, where do you eat in your home?
In the dining room.
Good. Tell me about your kitchen.
My kitchen is white, and it has a small table, and that table is a mess.
Who cooks in your kitchen?
Sometimes my mom, sometimes my dad.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.